Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present my topic on genetic algorithms. This presentation is prepared by Dr. R. Smeeta Mary, Associate Professor, Department of MCA, Fatima College, Madurai. Genetic algorithms are one of the most interesting techniques used in artificial intelligence and machine learning. They are inspired by the concept of natural selection and biological evolution. Just like in nature, where organisms evolve and the fittest survive, genetic algorithms also work by selecting the best solutions from a population of possible solutions. In this presentation, I will explain what genetic algorithms are, why they are important, how solutions are represented, the role of genetic operators, and some challenges like the crowding problem. Slide 2. What are genetic algorithms? Genetic algorithms are search and optimization algorithms that are inspired by the process of natural evolution. The basic idea behind genetic algorithms is that a population of possible solutions evolves over time to produce better and better solutions. In this algorithm, each possible solution is called an individual or a hypothesis. These individuals are evaluated using something called a fitness function. The fitness function determines how good a particular solution is for solving the given problem. For example, in machine learning, the fitness function might measure training accuracy. In a chess-playing program, fitness might be measured by the number of games won. The better the fitness value, the more likely that solution will be selected for the next generation. Slide 3. Importance of genetic algorithms. Genetic algorithms are very important because they are able to handle complex and difficult optimization problems. In many real-world problems, the search space is extremely large and traditional methods may fail to find the best solution. Genetic algorithms are useful because they search a large space of solutions simultaneously. They do not require gradient information. They can avoid getting stuck in local optimum solutions. Because of these advantages, genetic algorithms are widely used in many fields, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, engineering design, scheduling problems, robotics, and automation. Slide 4. Representation. Using bit strings. In genetic algorithms, solutions are usually represented using bit strings. A bit string is simply a sequence of binary digits, meaning zeros and ones. Each bit represents a particular feature or attribute value of the solution. This representation is useful because it allows the algorithm to easily apply operations like mutation and crossover. For example, consider an attribute called outlook, which may have three possible values: sunny, overcast, rain. These three values can be represented using 3 bits. Slide 5, Bitstring Encoding Example. Let us look at how bitstring encoding works. If we represent the values sunny, overcast, and rain, the bit string might look like this. 010 means only overcast is allowed. 011 means either overcast or rain is allowed. 111 means any value is acceptable. This representation is very flexible and allows the algorithm to represent both specific and general conditions. When there are multiple attributes, we simply combine the bit strings of each attribute into one longer bit string. This process is called concatenation. Slide 6. Genetic operators. In genetic algorithms, the evolution of solutions is achieved using genetic operators. The two main operators are crossover and mutation. Crossover is similar to reproduction in biological organisms. It combines parts of two parent solutions to create new offspring solutions. For example, if two parent bit strings are combined, Parts of each string may be exchanged to create a new solution. Mutation is another important operator. Mutation randomly flips bits in the bit string. For example, a 0 may change to 1A, 1 may change to 0. Mutation helps introduce new variations into the population, which helps the algorithm explore new possibilities. Slide 7. Searching the hypothesis space. In genetic algorithms, the algorithm searches through a space called the hypothesis space. This space contains all possible solutions to the problem. The algorithm starts with a randomly generated population of solutions. Each solution is evaluated using the fitness function. Then the best solutions are selected and used to produce new generations using crossover and mutation. Over many generations, the population gradually improves and the algorithm moves closer to the optimal solution. One major advantage of genetic algorithms is that they can explore very different regions. Slide 8. The crowding problem. Although genetic algorithms are powerful, they also have some challenges. One of these challenges is called the crowding problem. The crowding problem occurs when a single highly fit individual produces many offspring. These offspring are often very similar to each other. As a result, the population becomes dominated by similar individuals. This reduces the genetic diversity of the population. When diversity is reduced, the algorithm may stop discovering new solutions and progress may become very slow. Slide 9. Solutions to the crowding problem. To overcome the crowding problem, several techniques are used. One solution is modified selection methods such as tournament selection, rank selection. These methods help maintain a balance between